Let's talk about how to calculate ages in Google Sheets. I'm Jim from spreadsheetpoint.com, and we're going to show you two different formulas here today. The first one uses the DATEDIF formula, and the second one we'll get to shortly. Now, to get started, if you want to follow along, I have the date of birth in cell B1, and I'm using the today formula in cell B2. Today pulls today's date automatically for you, and it'll update, so tomorrow it'll show tomorrow's date without you having to change anything. Now, the DATEDIF formula has three arguments that it calls. The first argument is the start date, the second argument is the end date, and the third argument is what you are measuring. In this case, cell B4 is measuring years, B5 is months, B6 is days. Now notice that it's only right here, it's only that third argument that's changing. So Y changes to YM, and YM changes to MD. If you want this cool little sentence at the end, you can build it with the concatenate function. The other way to calculate ages in Google Sheets is just by calculating years, and in this case, we're going to use the YEARFRAC function. The YEARFRAC, again, uses the today function within it, and it's calling cell B1 in its first argument. So the YEARFRAC is just pulling the start date and end date in one formula. It doesn't allow you to choose months or days, but if you don't need to, then it's not a problem. If you want to clean it up even more, just put all of that into an int function. So it's the same calculation you used above, but you're nesting it all inside the int function, and that gives you the clean 32 without the float. So those are two ways you can calculate ages in Google Sheets, two pretty simple formulas. If you don't want to type all this out, go to spreadsheetpoint.com. I have a link below where all of these are listed on an article where you can just copy and paste this into your own spreadsheet. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for following along.